Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can unban your banned WhatsApp number. So why WhatsApp banned your number? It might be several reasons. Maybe you have sent it bulk amount of messages. Maybe you have accessed your application from third party app. So there should be multiple reasons. So I'm gonna tell you how you can fix it. So firstly, just open the Google Play Store. After opening the Google Play Store, just search WhatsApp. Yeah. Now you have to check if there is any update available. You just have to update it and your WhatsApp will be unbanned. If your account is still banned, then I'm gonna tell you how you can do this. Just scroll down a little bit and click on App Support. After clicking on it, here you have seen some contact options. Just click on first one, website. It will redirect you to the WhatsApp official website. So now click on top left corner. After clicking on it, click on Help Center. You are now in WhatsApp Help Center. Now you have to just scroll down a little bit and find Contact Support. Here it is. You just have to click on Contact Support. After clicking on it, now you have to choose your WhatsApp app which you have been using. So I'm just clicking on Contact Us. After clicking on it, it will provide you a form in which you have to first fill your information like phone number, email address, and your device. After clicking on it, now you have to type a message here. Hi team, I have received the following. This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. Please help me to fix this problem. After typing this, you have to click on next step. After clicking on that, it will redirect you to this page. Now you have to just click on send question and it will automatically send to WhatsApp, and WhatsApp team will review your report and they will unban your account. Hope you would like it. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.